Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the ZenChalet wooden jigsaw puzzles. This is going to be specifically the Octopus puzzle in the 200-piece size. I tried to track this down on Amazon but couldn't find it, but you can go on Amazon's website, look at ZenChalet, and then see what different options they have. They've got a wide variety of puzzle styles, all in this wooden design. And so we'll do in this video is we'll go over the packaging of the box that this actually comes in. We'll take the pieces out, do a quick review of them. Then I'll plan on putting this puzzle together and following up at the end of it to give you a sense of kind of the experience and how it performs, or kind of what the experience was like. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll try to find a link below so you can purchase it. But we'll get started. So this is the ZenChalet premium wooden jigsaw puzzles. Prices vary from like $15 to $25 depending on the size. They've got a wide variety of styles and sizes. This is going to be the Octopus one, which is 200 pieces. This should be what it looks like. As far as the packaging, it comes in this like premium solid wooden box. It's not cardboard at all. It's pretty hard and sturdy from that stance, which is really nice because it'll keep everything confined and you don't have to worry about the box breaking or cracking or anything like that with time and repeated use. On the side here, we'll see what it says. So it says ZenChalet premium wooden puzzle, Octopus, 200 pieces. The size is going to be 11.2 by 14.4 inches. And then this is FSC recycled wood, so it's good for the environment as far as the production manufacturing. On the other side here, it says that it was designed in the USA. Unique Whimsical Pieces. It's climate pledge friendly, basically because it's wooden and the box is made with eco-friendly products, and it's precision laser cut wood. And then on the back here they have a QR code, so you can discover how to turn your completed puzzle into wall decor, and they actually have probably a video or something like that. So that's it as far as the box and the packaging. Now we'll just open this up. So the lid actually has some inserts here where it actually slides into these little grooves on the edge of the box, and that's how it sits into place. So you do have to align it, but once you get it set into place, it's pretty sturdy. The lid may fall off if you flip it though, so just be careful with that. Then in here it says thank you for your purchase, scan me. It's 100% satisfaction guarantee, and they kind of basically ask for a review. These are the different styles that they have, I believe, in this style. So they've got yin yang flowers, mandala heart, sea turtle, yoga pose, guitar, yin yang, Hamza hand, colorful landscape, floral retro, a fleur-de-lis, tree of life, and then an elephant. So wide variety of options there. And then here's the actual puzzle. And so the puzzle pieces are actually pretty cool. So they're solid wood, and the unique thing about them is they're pretty thick pieces. So if you look here, they're almost like I don't know, like a quarter of a centimeter thick, but they're sturdy. Definitely won't bend or crack or anything like that, which is pretty cool compared to your traditional like cardboard pieces. And then the colors on them are really popping, like really bright colors here, and very unique designs. A lot of depth to the actual color, and the lines are very thick. And so I'm actually pretty excited to do this puzzle now that I opened it. And the groove pattern is a little bit different, where it's not your traditional, like if you look at it, it's not traditional puzzle pieces as far as like the grooves. Each of these ones has unique like wavy patterns, and so it'll be a little bit different as far as trying to sort this out and put it together. And so what I'll do now is I'll pour this out and start sorting through everything. And then I'll start putting this puzzle together. And then at the end of this, once I have it all together, I'll circle back and give you a sense of what the experience was like, how long it took, and those sorts of things, and if I ran into any issues with the pieces or anything like that. But I'm pretty excited based on the look of this. Additionally, let's see what they have in here. They at the bottom, they actually have a couple inserts here that's, I think, allow you to attach it to the wall, so it might be like sticky tape. They've got these ledges, which I believe once you have the wooden puzzle put together, you might actually be able to use it as a stand. They probably have an insert in the side. And then they have actually a bag for the puzzle too, so you could put all the pieces directly into the bag instead, or you can put it in the bag and then back into the box so it's more confined. And then lastly, let's see what this is. This is, I guess, like a puzzle mat, maybe, or it's for wall mounting it. But they do have an insert here, and that's just a picture of what the puzzle looks like. So it's very similar to the front, but that's all that comes in here. I'm not entirely sure what this is. I think it's just a puzzle mat that you can work on, but that's included there as well, but maybe somebody else knows. But that's what the puzzle looks like. Now what I'll do is I'll put it together and then circle back at the end of this and give you a sense of what the experience is like. All right, before I get started, I did want to highlight some pretty cool, unique features of this puzzle before I kind of sort through it. But as I was sorting through it, I noticed that on the non-colored side, the back side, a lot of these pieces actually have writing on it where it shows you what this looks like. So this basically looks like a lobster, and they print on the back side there a lobster to give you a sense of what it looks like. And so there's a bunch of those, like, so this is a lobster, this is a seahorse here, this one has a time, like a stopwatch on the back. There's a couple ones that are fish. So that's a really cool, unique design, but really on the front side here, other than the shape being a fish, you wouldn't really know based on the overall pattern and design. But as I was sorting through here, there's a whole bunch of those, like this is another fish. And so it's just a really unique, thoughtful thing. Like that's a sea turtle there. And so, yeah, it's just pretty impressive that they thought of that. And it really has no bearing on the actual, like, putting together of the puzzle. It doesn't give you a hint. It just gives you a general shape. So it's a little unique surprise as you're sorting through this. But I did want to highlight that before we get started. Okay, so here's the final completed puzzle. Took me probably about like 4 hours or so, maybe 4.5 to 5 hours total. And I'll say that overall, it was a really, really fun puzzle. It was really, really cool and unique as far as the different shapes of the pieces. On the box, it said that there's some whimsical pieces. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the shadow, maybe as I move this. But there's some pieces that are basically shaped as a fish, a clock. There's an octopus here. There's actually a ZenChalet one right in the middle here. You might not be able to see it well, but it was a really unique, cool puzzle because those pieces were a whole different component compared to other puzzles. So I really like that aspect of it because there was a combination of just irregular pieces in general, plus these whimsical, like fish-shaped pieces that really had that theme for this puzzle. So it was really kind of like intriguing from that standpoint. Overall, the laser cut edges for the pieces and the fact that it was wood was really nice too, because all the pieces clicked into place. You didn't have to worry about the pieces bending like with traditional cardboard puzzles, and you really couldn't break it. So it was really, really impressive from that standpoint. So that's all I have, but I would highly recommend it. It was a really fun experience. I do have a separate puzzle, their Golden Kingdom puzzle, which is 500 pieces. This was 200 pieces, and my puzzle board is made for like 1,500 pieces. So I'm going to do a separate video on that, but this did take up pretty much the whole board just by having to spread it out. I suspect that for a 500 piece puzzle, I'll have to pull out the drawers on the puzzle board and use those to sort them a little bit more. But that's a video to follow. But overall, the Octopus one is definitely worth it. And based on like the laser cut design, all the whimsical nature of it, I would definitely check out their other puzzles as well. But that's all I have. So thanks for watching and have a great day.